Imagine a planet 10 times Earth's mass, orbiting in frozen darkness. 600 times farther from the sun. We've never seen it, but we feel its tug. The tilted planets, the clustered orbits, even the shape of the Kuiper belt all whisper. Something massive is hiding out there. Astronomers call it Planet 9N. If it exists, it will rewrite everything we know about the solar system. Way out past Neptune, it's pitch black. But get this, dozen worlds are moving in a perfect formation. This is insane. Our 8 planets can't be doing this. So I'm telling you, something massive 5 times bigger than Earth is controlling them from an orbit that takes 15,000 years. This is Planet 9, and we're going to find it. Our textbooks show a neat solar system. 8 planets circling politely. But the icy outskirts tell a different story. Strange orbits. Unexplainable tilts. Worlds like Sedna drifting in lonely paths. It's like someone invisible is rearranging the furniture. And astronomers are scrambling to catch the culprits. This isn't sci-fi. This is real. Every new planet we find proves it's out there, and the math says it's big, cold, and 100% real. You are not going to believe this story. Let's go. This isn't the first time we've chased a phantom planet. In the 1840s, strange wobbles in Uranus's orbit led to the discovery of Neptune. Later, Pluto was thought to be another hidden giant, but it turned out far too small. For decades, astronomers searched for Planet X. Planet 9 is the modern heir to that mystery. The difference? This time, the math is far more convincing. It all started in 2003 when scientists found this weird planet. Its orbit took 11,400 years, which is crazy. But then they found more planets just like it. 14 of them, all moving the exact same way. The odds of that happening by chance are 1 in 14,000. Something huge is out there telling them where to go. In 2014, astronomers noticed a bizarre pattern. 6 distant objects all clustered in the same direction, their orbits tilted like dancers keeping in step. Random chance. Less than 1 in 10,000. The simplest answer, a hidden planet, 5 to 10. Earth masses herding them from the shadows. We've literally done this before. Back in the 1840s, Uranus was moving weird, so a guy did some math, pointed a telescope, and found Neptune in less than an hour. The math was right then, and the math is right now. Simulations paint a haunting picture. Planet 9 would orbit once every 10,000 to 20,000 years. It's daylight, a sun no brighter than a star. It might be a mini Neptune with icy clouds and faint rings. Or the stripped core of a gas giant and orphaned planet exiled to the dark. Either way, it's a world unlike anything else in our solar system. So we took all the data and put it in a supercomputer, and it gave us a picture of our mystery planet. It's 5 times the mass of Earth, and it orbits up to 800 times farther from the sun than us. That's so far that even at its closest point, it's 20 times farther than Neptune! It's fainter than a birthday candle on the moon. You are never going to see this with a normal telescope. The Kuiper belt should be a scattered mess. Instead, it has structured objects moving in step, like dancers following an unseen conductor. Planet 9 could explain not just Sedna, but dozens of icy bodies on strange paths. It may even explain why the solar system's entire orbital plane tilts 6 degrees. Something heavy tilted the whole stage. These 2 absolute legends, Mike Brown and Constantine Bettini, made the first prediction in 2016. And since then, every new object we find is exactly where they said it would be. Right now! A giant telescope is taking pictures of the sky every single night. Computers scan for anything that moves even 1 pixel. And then people have to look through millions of dots. It's the world's hardest game of Where's Waldo? But if it's so massive, why can't we see it? Because it's unimaginably far and faint. At 600 astronomical units, it would take light 4 days just to reach it. Even our best telescopes scan only slices of sky. The Vera Rubin Observatory, starting surveys soon, may finally spot it. Until then, Planet 9 remains a ghost felt, not seen, Finding this thing is almost impossible. It's not just faint, it's so slow. It takes 7 years to move the width of the moon in the sky. To even see it move, we have to compare photos taken months apart. And the Milky Way is right behind it, creating millions of fake signals. We're literally looking for one tiny dot in a galaxy of dots. What if we've been chasing a mirage? Some argue the clustering is a statistical fluke. Others suggest past encounters with a rogue star or a molecular cloud twisted the orbits. Another theory, modified gravity. Maybe the law of gravity itself changes at extreme distances. If Planet 9 doesn't exist, the mystery only deepens. So, could it be something else? No? Some people said we're just looking in the wrong place, but we've searched everywhere, and the pattern is still there. Could it be a bunch of small asteroids? Not enough gravity. What about a tiny black hole? We would have seen it bend starlight, but there's nothing. Planet 9 is the only thing that makes sense. If Planet 9 does exist, the implications are staggering. Its gravity could destabilize comet reservoirs, raining ice and rock into the inner system, potentially triggering mass extinctions. It could even be an interstellar rogue planet captured by the sun billions of years ago. A stranger, adopted by our solar family. Imagine a world not born here, but lurking in our backyard for eons. The search is on. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory will scan the sky every few nights, perfect for spotting faint movers. The James Webb Space Telescope could probe its atmosphere once we find it. Citizen scientists may even help spotting the faint dot drifting among the stars. If discovered, it will rival Neptune's 19th century reveal as one of the greatest triumphs of predictive astronomy. Planet 9 isn't just about one world. It's about humility. Our solar system isn't a finished book, it's a draft with missing chapters. Finding Planet 9 would force us to rethink how solar systems form, how planets migrate, and how fragile our definition of normal really is. Planet 9 may be orbiting right now, an icy giant circling silently in the void, waiting to be found. If we discover it, it will be the most important planetary discovery of our lifetimes. If we don't, the mystery lingers, proof that the solar system still holds secrets. Either way, the outer darkness is whispering. Something is out there. So here we are, possibly moments away from finding a new super-Earth in our own backyard. Somewhere out there, a massive, hidden world is orbiting, and it has no idea we're about to find it. The next time you see a headline, it might just be that we found a new planet.